Hey YouTube, so today we're going to do some more pelvic rolls with belly locks. So this is about an intermediate level class, but if you're a beginner, by all means, you want to give it a go, give it a go. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do roll, lock, roll, roll, lock, roll, lock, roll, roll, lock. What is that? Let's find out. Okay, first things first, let's just do some loose pelvic isolations, just to warm up the hips. So slide your hips from side to side for me. Don't really worry about how you're doing it. We're just mobilizing the hips. Okay, so the music. We're going to work on tribal from a trap stylization in this little combination. Wow, not really. We're going to work on the foot body first. Tribal from a trap is my style, tribal fusion. The music is tribal from a trap. It's my music, it's made for me, but you can get it everywhere on Spotify, Google, iTunes, Google Play, everywhere you can think of is available. You can go and practice and download it. This song is called Black Gold. Black Gold, okay? Hips gonna go forward and back, forward and back. If you want to learn tribal from a trap or my style tribal fusion, you've got tribal fusion level 1 and tribal from a trap. You can do them online on my online classes anytime you like, so it's £20 a month for that. Let's make it a circle. Or you can do the Zoom classes, which are live Zoom classes, where I get to give you feedback, help, advice, and all that good stuff. Don't worry, I look after you. Everyone from a complete beginners up to advanced, okay? So I've got beginners classes and advanced classes. Come, I'll train you, I'll look after you, we'll have loads and loads of fun together, and you will be amazing. Change the direction of the circles. Yeah, so if you do the Zoom you can get the recordings after class. And if you just want to do recordings only so you can watch whenever you want, that's cool too. Okay, all right then. So let's get started with our pelvic roll. It's one of my most favourite moves before we go into, no, actually, let's start with the belly pops. So, let's come closer. I'm going to what I call these belly pops. So it's about squeezing and releasing the belly, okay? So I'm going to squeeze my belly in, and then I'm going to let my belly go out. I'm going to squeeze my belly in, and then I'm going to let it go out. So I want you to imagine your belly button is going to touch your spine. And all these muscles around, think of it being like a corset. There's a muscle that acts like a corset. And if my spine's in the middle, my belly's going to squeeze around my spine and release. Squeeze around. So all of this is going in like this. Squeeze, release. You can imagine your belly is a sponge, squeezing all of the water out, letting all the water back in. Squeeze all the water out. Make sure you're breathing as normally as you can, okay? You don't want to be breathing in and out with everyone. If you are, have a little chit chat with yourself. If you talk to yourself while you're doing it, you'll stop yourself from breathing all at the same time. So, squeeze, make it sharp, release. Squeeze, and it's sharp, release. Don't move your chest and your shoulders. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you're a belly dancer, you've got more experience, feel free to put your shimmy on top. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. I'm doing a vibration shimmy. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze. Enough. Okay, so now let's learn the pelvic roll. Very briefly, it's way more detailed than this, but like I said, and I say every single lesson, come to my school and I'll teach you properly. But now I'm just going to do the movement in its most basic form, okay? All right. So what I want you to do is get into classical position, shift your weight back, and sit into your heel and your supporting leg, okay? I'm going to change legs, because I feel like it. So sink into your supporting leg, and then shift back. Raise this heel off the floor nice and high, okay? It's really important. Okay, and then from there, what you're going to do is you're going to do, first of all, pelvic tuck and pelvic release. So I'm going tuck, release. Vertically lift at the front, vertical at the back, vertical at the front, vertical at the back, vertical at the front. So it's not thrusting. Yes, up. Think Michael Jackson. Yeah? If you even know who he is anymore. It's been a long time since he's been around. Ow! Okay? Up, 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 up. Okay, part 2. You're going to swing your hips. Just if your leg's burning, give your legs a break and bring your feet together for a second. You're going to swing your hips forward at 12 and 6 o'clock. 12 and 6. 12 and 6. 12 and 6, 12 and 6, 12. So now I am thrusting, yeah? So pelvic roll is thrusts and tucks. Thrusts and tucks. Okay, let's put it together. Go back into your classical position for me. Sink into your supporting legs heel. Raise your other one onto tiptoe. Okay, put your pelvis into neutral. Engage the belly slightly, so a halfway tummy pop, basically what we just did, but a little bit, okay? And then chest lifted, shoulders down, long neck. Okay, 4 parts first. You're gonna tuck on 1. You're gonna keep the tuck and slide it forward on 2. You're gonna do a pelvic drop on 3. Don't stick your bum out. You just release the tuck, and then you're gonna send it backwards behind you. You're gonna go again. You're gonna tuck on 1. You're gonna slide on 2. You're gonna drop on 3, and you're gonna send it back on 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuck, slide, drop, slide. Tuck, slide, drop, slide. Tuck, slide, drop, slide. I've connected it. So now it's like a circle going in this axis. Okay, keep going. Tuck, ta, 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 ta. I'm trying to keep my chest up. My chest might look like it's moving. It's responding to my hip movement, but I'm not letting it go, right? There's a difference. So tuck and roll, tuck and roll, tuck and roll, tuck and roll, tuck and roll. Yes. Okay, so now you're gonna do 1 roll. Let's start with 2s. 2 rolls with a belly pop on the end. Meaning, I go here, I'll come closer in a second, get into classical position. We're always going to be classical position for today. You're going to do pelvic roll at the end of it, so that's 1.5. I'm going to squeeze my belly and bring my pelvis back, okay? So, you're going to go together. So like 1.5 smooth, and you finish it sharp. Once, twice, and instead of going back this way, I'm going to lock it, which is a pelvic tuck, sharp, and so I squeeze my bum, and I squeeze my belly, okay? Should we try it? I'm gonna try this side. Ready? So, slow motion. Tuck, push, drop, slide. Tuck, push, drop, lock. Yeah? My back is flat. Don't go back this way, yeah? It's flat, as if you're trying to put your back against a wall. Squeeze your belly and squeeze your bum. Let's do it again. Tuck, push, drop, slide. Tuck, push, drop, lock. Yeah? Make sure you don't feel it in your spine. It's all belly muscles. You're not feeling it in your spine. If you're feeling it in your spine, you're likely making it too big and you're jerking. Please don't do that. So if that's a problem for you, take out this and just do the roll smoothly without the lock, because it should feel really good, okay? All right, now we're gonna do it singular, okay? So I'm gonna go roll, lock. You're already tucked, so you're gonna continue again. 1, lock, roll it, lock it, tuck and roll, lock it, okay? And I'm locking it by doing my belly contraction that we just did, okay? So one more time. I'm gonna go roll it, lock it, roll it, lock it. Basically roll it, tuck it, roll it, tuck it, roll it, tuck it. All right, here's your challenge. Roll it, lock it, roll it, lock it. You get that? Roll it, lock it, roll it, lock it. Not that fast though, yeah, that'd be a bit mean. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, off we go. Roll, lock. Let's go slower. Roll, roll, lock. Okay. Roll, lock. Roll, roll, lock. 5, 6, 7, and roll, lock. Roll, roll, lock. Option 2, option 1 even, stay that speed. Option 2, go fast with me, okay? I'm gonna go faster. 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5. Keep it small, 7, and roll. Lock, roll, roll, lock. Keep it small. 6, don't try to make it big. One more time. Rum, pa, rum, pa. All right, let's change legs. Slowly fast. Okay, sink, classical position. All right, go. Roll, lock. Roll, roll, lock. So it's exactly the same with the hips, it's just that you're giving one leg a break, yes? Because your supporting leg really burns after a while. So it's roll, lock, lock. One more time. Roll, lock, roll, roll, lock. Okay. All right. We'll try it. Faster optional. If you want to stay slow, don't look at me. I'm going to do 4 fast and we're done. 2 sets basically. You ready? 5, 6, 7. Oh wait, hold on. Let's crank it up a bit. 5, 6, 7, and roll, lock, lock. 5, 6, 7, and roll, lock, pop. 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6. Last one for luck. Whee! All right then. Thank you so much, YouTube. I look forward to seeing you in the next class for more. If you like my videos, please share them. Mwah. Bye.